Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will speak about the Lok Sabha. You have many of students have doubt in this topic, so I will clear that Lok Sabha. India has adopted a parliamentary form. This is a parliamentary form. In parliamentary form, the executive are controlled by the legislative. And what is legislative? The law making body, and executive the implementing body. These are implementing the law which are executed by the executive. And in parliamentary system we have a two division, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. President is not a member of any house, he is just a part of this parliamentary system. Without the signature of president in any bill, the bill cannot become a law. So he is not a member, he is just a part of parliament. So let's we talk about the Lok Sabha. It consists of 552 total maximum member, in which 530 are directly elected and 20 member are indirectly elected, and 2 member are from Anglo-Indian Committee which are nominated by President. So the duration of Lok Sabha is for 5 years. After every 5 years, a fresh election was held. It also it also held in midterm. It means the tenure was not completed, but new election was held. This is called as a midterm election. So let's go the election. Direct method of election are in the Lok Sabha, means people directly vote to the member of Lok Sabha, and it is the lower house. Lok Sabha, it is a lower house and it represents the house of the people. Every state of the India, every state there are some members of Lok Sabha which represent in the parliament and representing their particular state. So these are the Lok Sabha. So we're talking about the qualification. A member must be a citizen of India and he must have completed 24 years of age, and he must be fulfill the qualification laid down by the Act of Parliament. These are the qualification of a member of Lok Sabha. After the qualification, we discuss about the who is the presiding officer in the house. In presiding officer there is a speaker who is a presiding officer, and after that there is a deputy speaker. Deputy speaker, in absence of speaker, the deputy speaker will take the in charge of the speaker, and he she will regulate the function of the house. So speaker is the main presiding officer of the house. He control and he over the speaker of the Lok Sabha maintain and regulate the business of the house, and she play a very important role for the functioning of the Lok Sabha. So Lok Sabha is very active and most powerful house as compared to the Rajya Sabha. Okay, we will discuss that. We will all discuss about the Lok Sabha, its tenure, its method of election, and it is the lower house and it is House of People and its member. So what do we learn in this lecture? The Lok Sabha is lower house. First of all, it represents the people. It represents the house of people. Second, it consists of 552 total maximum member. And in 552 there are I will tell this on I will tell that topic. In 552 member which are nominated, which are directly or indirectly, I will talk about that. So we in this lecture we discuss the all what is Lok Sabha, its member, duration, tenure and presiding officer. All these are we discuss here. Guys, if you want any topic, if you want any history, geography, political science, eco, if you have any doubt in this four subject, in any topic particular, you will comment it on comment box and I will sure make that video on the topic.